Here's a 36-inch Evergo industrial ceiling fan. I got it from Andrew for free. Um, yeah, fan is really good shape. It's hooked up to the same variable speed control as my SMC KC52, so if the wind noise you might hear is not from the Evergo, it's from the KC next to it. So yeah, but I'll start it up starting with low speed. And it's really cold out here since this garage isn't insulated. The KC doesn't start on low speed, but the Evergo does, so I'm thinking about taking the Evergo and putting it on the lights and tapping it off of the lights and then attaching a remote, which I have a remote to do that with. I just need to get a flippin' 9-volt battery. Bump it up a little bit. It does wobble, but that's just because some of the blades are bent downward, which doesn't bother me that much because, I mean, this fan almost never runs. Out here, it's always the Encon Crompton greaves because that fan's on the lights. So I'm going to adjust the low speed trim on the control for the KC is on once I adjust the Evergo.
Which I really never ended up doing because I never saw the point of it.
Yeah, the Evergo is easily my favorite fan in the garage. It's between the Evergo and the Caribbean Breeze. I love small industrials, but I also like KCs. If you just look at the garage, there are literally all of my favorite spinners except one. One of them isn't out here. Or actually, there's a few that are out here that, see, the Evergo picked up in speed quite a bit just by turning it so slightly. The only fans that are out here, the only two spinners that I like that aren't out here is a Emerson blender fan.
Whoa. Hold up. Did I just say the blender fan is a spinner fan? I don't think it is. It's actually K55.
Obviously. But the one everybody hates me for it, it's a Hampton P. Grayton. It's a childhood fan, so don't judge me. The Evergo really picked up in speed. And let's go up to high. I'm not sure if you can hear it, the little noise it's making, but I am getting goosebumps from just these two fans on high speed. It's like 50 degrees up. Yeah, the wind noise that you're hearing in the microphone is most likely the KC52, which I'm going to do a video of next. And let's do spin down. It actually does have one of the best bearings out of all the fans. It doesn't have the best, but it has one of the best. With the KC being the worst, and I'm going to stop it. Ignore my shirt. The Evergo is mounted on a Home Decorators Collection down rod because I didn't have a J-hook for it. I was originally going to put it where the Crompton was, or is. Then I moved it to being right there because I realized I couldn't attach it at a variable speed control. So that's cool. Despite that the Crompton did better on the control than it does now. Or low speed wise. Low and medium speed wise, actually. And that will do it for this video. So anyway, guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you very much for watching.